Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very exciting video. I have been waiting 2 weeks to film this video. For those of you that follow my channel, you will know that I recently went to Las Vegas, and in Las Vegas I was able to purchase a bag that I've been looking for so long now. I mean, like a really long time. I live in Canada and it's relatively difficult to purchase designer bags in Canada. We don't get very many of them up in the Great White North, and I finally found it in Las Vegas, so I am so excited to share it with you guys. If you want to see what bag I purchased in Vegas, please keep on watching, and if you are new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the bag that I purchased from Vegas, or in Vegas I guess, is from Louis Vuitton. I have a couple Louis Vuitton bags. I just think they're such great quality and timeless. So here is the bag that my bag came in. So I will open this. This is how I brought it home from the States. Just carried it as a carry-on on the plane like this, very carefully. So the first item in the bag, oh, it's a bit big, is my receipt. You get a nice little receipt holder like this. It just has the business card of the sales associate and then my receipt inside. So I will keep that for sure. So the next item in the bag is the next item in the bag is, now it comes in this gorgeous Louis Vuitton box. This box did have, let me show you, it did have a ribbon around it. I did take the ribbon off and I opened the box quickly. I wasn't able to see the bag, but I was crossing over the border. So yes, that's why the ribbon's off the box, just because I did have to cross from the United States into Canada. So this is when you open the box. I'll just make sure I'm on the viewfinder there. It's in a nice tissue here, and it looks like it has tissue on top to stop it from moving. So I will pull the bag out. So I will take the tissue. That wasn't stuck to it, okay. This is the dust bag that my bag came in. If you haven't already guessed it by its size, oh, sorry, I need a moment, I'm really excited. This is the Pochette Metis. I won't go into a full review of this bag just because I think I'm gonna save that to do that in another video. So I will give you a quick overview of the bag. It's in the monogram, it's in the monogram canvas. It's got a nice zipper on the back and the nice clasp on the front. And how you open the little clasp here is you push these together. Now I'm gonna have to put it down because there's nothing in the bag to open it. So that opens it. Oh, it's got a little film on there right now, and it's got a little film on there too. So you open the bag, and inside is a strap that comes with the purse. And inside it has 3 compartments, and it's a kind of suede brown interior. So I'll put the strap on so you guys can see that as well. Here is the bag with the strap. It's a really nice long strap that you can adjust to. There's 1, 2, 3, 5 different lengths. I'll definitely be doing a more thorough review of this bag, especially after I've used it a little bit longer, and let you guys know what I think of it. So I think I'm going to keep this video really short today. I just wanted to show you guys what I purchased in Las Vegas. If you do have any questions about this specific bag or details about where I purchased it, please leave them in the comments down below, or any other questions or video requests you guys might have. I guess I will see you in my next video. Bye! If you can't already tell by this, I've been waiting 2 weeks, sorry, 4 weeks. How you open it is you push those together, push the clasps together. Sorry. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. I've been waiting, let's try that again.